Hey guys, today let's learn how to get a professional account on Instagram. So if you guys like to go ahead and have a professional account over on the Instagram application, and this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch to the Instagram application. And once we're already here, I would like you guys to proceed with tapping on your menus right here. This will show you your profiles, and I want you to tap on your 3 lines on the top right corner. Next, let's tap over on our settings and privacy, and let's locate the option to basically change our account and switch to a professional account. That's gonna be located over here on this section, which is called for professionals. Now tap on this option and tap on account type and tools. From here, I would like you guys to proceed with tapping on switch to a professional account, following as well the on-screen instruction to proceed to a professional account. And once done, just choose your preferred category and tap on done. And that's how you guys could choose a professional account. Of course, you could also choose what specific category. If you were a business or a creator, just make sure which one you choose and which one you prefer, and then tap on next. Once that is done, all we need to do is to finish the steps to fill in our professional account and set it up. And essentially, that's what we need to know about getting a professional account on Instagram. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.